Jammed spinal joints and rib joints at the base of the neck are the most common cause of that stiffness and soreness that a lot of people get in their shoulders. So here's a great way to release those joints quickly. Grab a firm tennis ball and place it here, in the upper back, just below the neck to one side. This is where the spinal joints and the rib joints, where the ribs attach onto the spine, tend to get stuck. To set up, stand 30 to 50 centimeters from a wall and lean back up against the tennis ball with the ball in that spot. Bend your knees rather than arch your lower back to reach the wall. Cross your arms to expose the joints more and look down at your chest. Then bend your knees a bit so that the tennis ball rolls 5 to 10 centimeters up and down the spine just to one side. Do this for about 30 seconds, moving slowly. Don't roll over the bony points of the spine in the middle. You want to roll the ball along here. This will mobilize the joints between the vertebra and the rib joints. Next, move the ball to the lowest point in that line and keep the ball in that spot as you lean away from that side 3 times slowly. Then move so that the ball rolls up about 2 centimeters higher and do 3 side bends at this next level. And finally, move so that the ball rolls up another 2 centimeters to the highest level and do 3 final side bends. Looking down at your chest opens up the spinal joints, and leaning away from the tennis ball opens up the joints more to the side as the tennis ball holds the rest of the spine in place. You can do this on both sides as long as it isn't sore in your neck on the same side that you lean towards. The tennis ball compresses and releases any knots in the upper traps and levator scapular muscle, so you'll feel muscular soreness from the pressure of the tennis ball. This massage alone will give you some relief. But if you feel any sharp joint pain as you move or roll the ball, don't continue as the joints may be inflamed. The cause of joint restriction in this area is usually spending too much time with the head forward, looking at mobile phones, laptops, books and gadgets and the likes. So try to avoid those forward head positions. That's the cause of bad posture too. Now there's plenty of other ways to release these joints, so I'll leave a link to a video about some of them in the description box below. If you really struggle with pain and poor posture in this area and you need more help, I'll leave a link to my coaching program which deals with exactly that. Anyway, there you go. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing because it always really helps. And let me know how you go in the comment section below because I really like to read that stuff. Okay? Cheers.